Hello fellow makers, welcome back to 3D Printed Soup's 3D Printed Advent Calendar. Father Printmas may have overdone it last night and is feeling slightly worse for wear. Anywho, second part of yesterday's print. Oh, that was a bit loud. The sleigh to go along with the wonderful reindeer which we have here. You can make a whole load of them, 7 or 8, depending whether or not you class Rudolph as one of them. I do not. Rudolph was never one of the gang. He's always been a loner. Never liked him. Weird nose. I think he drinks. Anywho, 7 of those, 1 of these, and you'll get a lovely Christmas scene. This was made with the same maker right here. Very, very good 3D print. Lots of nice detail. And it looks very nice on your mantelpiece. Thank you for watching 3D Printed Soups, 3D Printed Advent Calendar, Day 16. We're getting towards the big day. Printmas Day, when I can finally relax after doing all my prints. So, stay happy, stay safe, keep printing. You, elf, go on, hurry up with the Alka-Seltzer. Father Printmas has got a printing headache.